Hello everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can delete your Facebook account permanently. So in order to do that, first you need to open your Facebook application, and as you can see this is my account. From here you need to tap your logo from the top, sorry, from the bottom right corner, and after that you need to swipe down, and from here again swipe down. You need to tap this settings option. After that, from this box, you just need to tap here once. And after tapping here once, scroll down, and as you can see this personal details, you need to tap here once. And after that, you need to tap this owner account, ownership and control. From here, you are going to select this option called deactivation or deletion. And then you select the account you want to deactivate, and then you will be asked either you want to deactivate the account or you want to delete the account permanently. So I will choose delete and then continue. And it says when you delete your account, your page which are linked to that account will also be deleted. So just press continue and just type a reason for which you want to delete the page, and then press continue. And after that, what you need to do is again press the continue button. And as you can see, we are redirected to this page, and as you can see it says keep messenger or deactivate instead. If you want to deactivate messenger as well, just press here, or else you can skip this. After that, scroll down, and from here you can press the continue. After pressing this continue button, you will be asked to type your Facebook password. After typing your password, there will be again the last step in which you just need to confirm you want to delete. Then your account will be deleted. Make sure if you log in your account within 30 days, your account will be recovered. But if you exceed 30 days, if you didn't log into your account within 30 days, your account will be permanently deactivated. So make sure about that. So yeah, that's how you deactivate or delete your Facebook account.